What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. The reason why the mic is out of the way is because I am replacing my original shoes. So these were the Joomras. They did awesome. You can see I'm kind of wearing them out on the inside. If I flip them over, I've got a hole right there. I've got a hole right there. But these guys have been going 9 months strong. I've been using these primarily as my work shoes. Pretty much wearing them in the clinic every day. I've also been running in these. So these guys have been accumulating. I looked at the app. I've been doing between 3 and 5 miles, a couple times a week. I'm running at about a 9.5 minute mile pace, so I'm not running super fast. I'm about 162 pounds on average right now, about 5'7.5". So I'm not a super heavy runner. Like, my body isn't heavy, but these guys have been holding up really well. So I tried to order the same brand, but I couldn't find the Joomras. You can see on the side there, I don't know, it won't focus, but it says Joomra. So I got these. These, I think, are Whitin. I ordered them on Amazon. I paid for these. Whitin. Yeah, Whitin. I paid for these. These were not gifted to me. I'm under no obligation to the company to provide a good or negative review. I'm kind of thinking they're probably manufactured by the same company, or at least that's what I thought. When I look at the bottom, they're actually, yeah, it's the same bottom. It's the same basic material. I don't know if I feel the weight. I do think they're maybe a little bit heavier, but they're zero drop, minimalist, pretty flexible shoe. Looks like it'll be a comfortable material. I'm not crazy about these guys. The Joomras came in a box. These guys are just shrink wrapped. So there's our buddy Tucker back there. The bottom feels good. The inside feels good. The insole is removable. And so if we take a look at this, it's a normal, pretty lightweight insole. If you wear orthotics, certainly you could put the orthotics in there, but kind of the goal of a minimalist shoe is to allow the foot to adapt to the ground naturally. I'm just getting out of work right now. I'm going to get some socks. I'm going to get something to eat. And then I'll take these guys out for either a walk or a run. I might take Tucker depending on how he's doing, but he's been outside all day. And I'll report back to let you guys know. So far, I'm happy with this. Price point, it's under $40, right around that area, US. So, I don't know. I'm trying to decide. I really feel like they're the same shoe. I just don't see that much of a difference. So, I'll update you guys on the next video.